pain prevalence increase with age. As we age, we start to feel many pains in our body brought about by years of working, routines, sports, and any constant and maybe rigid activities that compromise specific parts of our body. The pains can range from mild to worst. Many of us are familiar with ways to alleviate the pain via chiropractor, painkillers or drugs, bandage, injection, physical therapy, and acupuncture. These common joint pain treatments can rack up costs, can become time-consuming and mentally exhausting, while results can be temporary and the long-term side effects can be deadly. Some of us suffered to a great extent that led us to get used to either having cane or a wheelchair. I recently got educated about an alternative way that has been proven effective. I use on my own. So I did my own research and I found out that wearing something with copper reduces inflammation of the joints, thus helping with arthritis. Both silver and copper have been used to keep mildew, mold, fungi, and other spoilage at bay. These two metals were even known by the ancients to have anti-infection benefits. If this is the case, what if these metals can be part of something we wear? Perhaps chronic pain can be alleviated. What I found out is that the Japanese came up with high-tech wearables with silver-copper function combination. The results? These wearables can shield 99% of electromagnetic wave, emit far infrared ray, eliminate static electricity, are antibacterial and anti-odor, regulate body temperature, and promotes microcurrent stimulation as acupuncture effect. Real stories of its effectiveness include a 70-year-old confined in a wheelchair for years, becoming more active and stronger. A doctor who developed cervical spine issues due to long-term standing during surgery started to move her hands with no pain and can work smoothly with no spinal pain. A 10-year-old experiencing pain on her right lower abdomen had a slight fever, so it's suspected of appendicitis. While awaiting prognosis, Mom wrapped the child's stomach with her scarf wearable, and the pain was gone. A diabetic had gangrene, an infection on her heels. After weeks of using wearable socks, she was completely healed. A newborn who always cries at night, her Lola put on multipurpose supported wearable. The baby no longer cries at night. These are just some of the testimonials I read. But the best part is, I myself, with continuous use of the silver copper wearables, improve my agility and posture as a senior. I hope this sharing is helpful, and if you have some questions, please reach out to me by messaging me here or via Facebook Messenger with my name itself. Thank you.